Cuisinart CPK17U multi-temp 1.7-liter jug kettle in brushed stainless steel. Digital stainless steel kettle with temperature selection options and automatic echo feature and has a large spout design. This kettle has an easy-view illuminated water level indicator and a very fast boil element. Cuisinart DGB 900 BCU grind and brew coffee maker. This is a unique all-in-one operation that grinds fresh beans and makes the filter coffee for coffee shop flavor and aroma. The integrated burr plates grind fresh beans for ultimate flavor extraction and has strength control option for strong, medium or mild coffee. It comes with a programmable timer and 4 to 12 cup selector and a thermal insulated carafe. Cuisinart EM200U espresso coffee maker in chrome. It has a 15-bar pump and has an easy-to-use stainless steel frothing arm. It also has a large transparent water tank and programmable cup size function.